Namaste, Hamesha Kushro Bitia. I am JVN Dr. Minakshi, Assistant Professor in Department of शलाकय तंत्र, Faculty of आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एनाटॉमी ऑफ सिलियरी बॉडी। ठीक है, जो मिडिल वास्कुलर कोट होती है आई बॉल की, उसमें तीन स्ट्रक्चर्स आते हैं आपके, आइरिस, सिलियरी बॉडी और कोरोइड। ठीक है, तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे सिलियरी बॉडी क्या होती है। सिलियरी बॉडी इज द एंटीरियर मोस्ट कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ द कोरोइड at oris aorta. It forms a part of the angle of anterior and posterior chambers. The iris is attached to it and the inner side is divided into two parts, anterior part and the posterior part. The anterior part is having finger-like ciliary processes called the pars plicatum. The posterior part, which is smooth, called the pars plana. So in this image you can see the two parts, the pars plana, which is almost plain structure, and second is the pars plicata, which contains the finger-like projections which are called the ciliary processes. Then comes the microscopic structure of ciliary body. There are 5 layers. The first layer is the supraciliary lamina. It is the outermost condensed part of the stroma and consists of pigmented collagen fibers. Second layer is the stroma of the ciliary body. It consists of connective tissue of collagen and fibroblast. It is embedded in this are the ciliary muscle, vessels, nerves, pigment and other cells. Ciliary muscle occupies most of the outer part of ciliary body. It's a non-striated muscle and is supplied by the parasympathetic fibers through the short ciliary nerves. It has three parts: the longitudinal fibers, circular fibers, and the radial fibers. The longitudinal fibers which help in the aqueous outflow, the circular fibers which help in accommodation, and third one is the radial fibers which also help in the aqueous outflow. Third layer is the layer of pigmented epithelium. It is the forward continuation of the retinal pigment epithelium. The fourth layer is the layer of non-pigmented epithelium. It consists of mainly low columnar or cuboidal cells and is the forward continuation of the sensory retina. Fifth layer is the internal limiting membrane. It is the forward continuation of the internal limiting membrane of the retina. Then comes the functions of the ciliary body. It helps in the formation of aqueous humor, and ciliary muscles helps in accommodation. There are two functions of ciliary body: the production of aqueous humor, and second one is the accommodation. So, what is accommodation? From the ciliary processes extend the fibers towards the lens. These fibers are called the zonular fibers. The contraction of the muscular ciliaris reduces the tension of the zonule fibers and result in a thickening of the lens which focuses on close objects, and this is called the accommodation. Then what are the ciliary processes? It is an important structure because it produces the aqueous humor. There are 70 to 80 finger-like projections with vascular core radiating from pars plicatum. They occupy the peripheral part of posterior chamber. Each process is about 2 mm long and 0.5 mm in diameter. Ciliary processes increases the surface area for secretion. That's why their structure is like a finger-like projection. The grooves in between serve as the attachment for the lens zonules. And zonules are the suspensory ligament of lens which are produced by the ciliary epithelium. They provide the stability of lens and helps in accommodation also. Thank you so much. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you so much.